LinkedIn automation tools. Just seems perfect, right? But the question is, should you use them? Hello, my name is Hrach, and if this is the first time you are seeing me, I help small and medium businesses generate organic and qualified leads on LinkedIn through non-salesy and non-pitchy outreach methods. Today's question is, are automation tools for LinkedIn good or not really? Well, the short answer for me is absolutely not. And let me give you 4 reasons why you should not be using automation tools in any case. All right. Point number 1 is LinkedIn doesn't allow you to use any automation tools. And this is a pretty serious cause if especially your profile is pretty decent profile, pretty strong profile, you have already built your network, so you don't want to really jeopardize that. Using automation tools, you have a great risk of getting banned or getting blocked actually forever from LinkedIn. So do you want that? I don't think so. Point number 2 is you actually gonna end up sending connection requests to wrong people if you are using automation tools. You get to some sort of let's say search result page, and you paste the link in the tools, and what the tool does is goes one by one and just connects with everyone on the list. If you have been using LinkedIn for a while, you will confirm that 99% chance that only 50% of these prospects will be your ideal customers. So do you want to connect with 700 people they not ever gonna buy from you? I don't think so again. Now talking about the third point is the glitches. What I mean by saying glitches, sometimes some tools are not really able to understand the correct way of writing the name because they have some special characters, or there is some sort of weird thing, let's say, going on. And the other thing is, which is even worse, when these tools do not detect the answer. Trust me on this one, we have been there and it's really an awkward situation. So again, do you want to do that? I don't think so. And the 4th point is, whenever you are sending automatically the connection request or whatever the campaign is, you are losing any sort of control, right? So when you are doing manually selecting, let's say, who to connect or who to send a message, for example, you might see something very funny, very specific in that person's profile, which you can later on talk about, or you can talk about right in that message. Even though you can just copy paste your message, but if you see it, you can just try to use it, right? So, all right, no automation tools, at least this is my advice to you guys, but what are the alternatives? Well, either way, you will have to invest your time or your money. And number 1 option is, of course, you do it yourself, right? And on average, it will take you about, let's say, depending on your campaign, 2 hours per day. The second option is you need to hire a virtual assistant, train them how to do it, and they'll just kind of help you out with that. Or the third option is you just partner out with a lead gen agency and they do it for you, right? And don't get me wrong, this video is not meant like a lead gen, I don't know, like source. I'm not trying to get customers with this video. I'm just honestly trying to give you the answers or the alternatives on how you can use LinkedIn to, let's say, a lead gen for your business. I hope this was helpful actually, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and give it a like if you liked it actually. If not, don't give it a like. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my newly created YouTube channel because I'm gonna be putting again videos there on a weekly basis. Hope you guys have a great day, be safe, and I'll talk to you later. Cheers.